Hello everyone, I introduce to you the Lowrider Tricycle 3000, brought to you by Hellbach Motors. Now here are a few pictures of my tricycle that I have. One I have in color with all black and gray for a stealthier look. And we can get to the simulation here, where everything moves together like a normal tricycle would if somebody was riding it. And that goes like that. And then we get to the parts here. The back axle we use to put the back two rims on. I constrained the rims to this side piece right here and put end caps on the back axle to allow the tires to stay on. Our next piece is the wheel, is the rim. The wheel and the axle are a rigid fit because we want them moving in unison so that when the pedals are used, they will be directly rotating the wheel. And here is the bike seat. The bike seat would be made out of rubber. And it's a large bike seat to provide comfort to the rider. Our next piece is the frame. This is the frame of the tricycle. We have a slanted hole here to provide to put the front piece and handlebars on a slant that allows the handlebars to move farther towards the back of the bike so that the rider can sit farther back to provide that low rider feeling. And here's the hole where the bike seat would go. In the back we have the holes for the axle, the back axle. Next piece we get to is the front bar for the pedals, which is a simple design where the pedals go right here and the rim goes right across here. Our next piece is the front piece, I called it. This front piece goes through the frame, the angled hole in the frame. Frame sits right on here, and the front bar axle sits in between these two holes right here along with the tire that allows clearance for, and this allows clearance for the tire. After that piece we get to the handlebars. The handlebars sit on top of the front piece. A simple design for the tricycle to allow to create a lowrider feeling. Next, we get to the pedal. The pedal, I feel, is a good design that we created. The pedals and the axle were assembled in a loose fit that allowed the pedals to rotate 360 degrees, while the hole in the pedal, right here, was constrained to the bar on the axle. I cut out some of the material to decrease the price and keep it lightweight. The pedal would be made out of plastic. Our next piece is the rim. We used this rim on the front tire and two smaller rims of the same design on the back two tires. They all have treads on them all the way around the wheel. Next I want to show you the orthographic design, the orthographic drawing, where we have all the measurements. And I can pull up another one. And I need to pull up another one here. And so here's another one with all of the tolerances that we included. This is a orthographic design drawing of the back tire. Okay, I think that is all. That's all our parts. Thank you very much.